What if I told you that without one black man with no medical degree, millions of children would still be dying from heart defects today? In the 1940s, doctors could only watch helplessly as babies turned blue and died within their first few years. Then came Vivian Thomas, a carpenter turned lab assistant at Johns Hopkins. While being paid as janitor wages, he developed the first successful heart surgery for children. The Blue Baby operation saved thousands of lives, but Thomas received no credit. He couldn't even attend medical school because of segregation. Without his work, there would be no heart transplants, no bypass surgery, no pediatric cardiac care. Families would still be burying their children before age 5. Modern heart medicine simply wouldn't exist. For decades, white doctors took credit for his techniques while he worked in the shadows. This brilliant man who couldn't enter through the front door of the hospital created an entire field of medicine. One uncredited genius changed everything.